Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can bypass Google account lock from Samsung J4 Plus very easily with free tool. Okay, and guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and share this video with your friends. First of all, connect Wi-Fi network because you need to download one Android application. Don't worry, I will give the links in video descriptions. Okay, and without PC this tips not working. Okay, as you can see, this mobile is asking the pattern lock or the Google account. Okay, simply we can remove it. Just download Samsung driver and Samsung new FRP tool from my video link, and make sure that you have connected Wi-Fi network. Okay, just open Samsung driver and install it, and Samsung FRP tool. Sorry guys, before that make sure your antivirus must be disabled. That means disable your antivirus protection, and now extract the tool Samsung FRP tool. Okay, and install properly Samsung driver. And open it. First, disable driver signatures. Tap on it and click OK, and just reboot your PC. Okay. Yes, again disable your antivirus. Now connect your mobile. As you can see, Samsung mobile USB modem. And simply click on bypass FRP. Okay, as you can see, you must connect Wi-Fi network and install this driver. You will get a pop-up here. Just tap on view. You can remove the USB cable now. Okay, just tap here and type here bnrom.bypass, bnrom.net/bypass. and scroll down. You will see quick shortcut maker APK. Just hit on this and download it. Hello, close it and OK. Yes, now install this application. Tap open. Tap here and type here settings. Scroll down, you will see settings. Tap on it. Tap again and tap here. Yes, select biometrics and security and other security settings. Pin Windows, enable it and scroll down and tap here. Okay, use skill lock type to unpin. Okay, enable it and make any lock here. I'm going to make or create a normal pattern lock. Okay, which one I tried before. Now press power button and reboot your device. It will take some times. Don't worry, just wait. J4 Plus, okay. Just wait, guys. Yes, now enter the pattern which one you create before and just wait. Now set up your phone. Skip here. and draw the pattern or enter the pattern. Okay, as you can see, skip option is available. Just tap on skip. Uncheck here, click OK. Skip again, finish, done, close here, continue, skip, and tap install, finish. As you can see, we have successfully bypassed Google account lock from Samsung J4 Plus very easily. And this was the video tutorial for today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching for this video. Please take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. And please subscribe my channel.